Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Bryce of LJ Hooker and welcome to 32 Garland Road here in Cessnock. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car brick and tile home, approximately 2014 built with a good long-term tenant in there. So we've just walked into the lounge room here at the front of the home, coming into the rest of the living space. So we've got our tiled kitchen, dining, with access out to the backyard and our fresco, which I'll get to in a minute. Got split system air conditioning. You do have gas cooking, gas heating, gas hot water. You've got an electric oven, stainless steel dishwasher. Behind that door, we do have the laundry. Coming back down, we've got linen press straight here in front. Down our hallway, we've got our back bedroom. Built-in robe. So carpet and paint are in reasonable condition for their age, but don't get me wrong, are showing signs of wear. Spare bedroom, approximately the same size as the last bedroom. Again, carpet and paint are in reasonable condition, but showing signs of wear. Carpet and paint traditionally have a 7 to 10 year lifespan, so this one will be due down the track. However, with the current tenant in-house happy and keen to stay on, you can worry about that another day. So main bathroom, so you've got shower, bath, toilet. Just trying to give you an idea of the state of repair. Coming into the main bedroom, so we've got built-in robe behind that door. Again, paint, carpet, everything else in pretty good nick for its age. We've got ensuite, so again, vanity, toilet, shower, so no bath in this one. Rightio, so I'll take you out the back. Due to a bit of rain, I don't have my shoes on, so I won't walk around on the wet grass, but I think you guys will forgive me for that. So as I said, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car. That's your door out of the back of the garage. We've got our undercover area here. So there's down the backyard, gas hot water down there, and just side and rear yard here. So that's our short little video tour of 32 Garland Road here in Cessnock. If you'd like to know more about how you can purchase this fantastic property, please let me know, as I'm happy to get you through. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'm Bryce from LJ Hooker. As always, bye for now.